Hello everyone, I'm Sudeep. Welcome back to my new video. If you are having trouble opening Microsoft Word on your PC, whenever you try to open Microsoft Word, it just opens up a screen only. It shows up on taskbar, but whenever you try to bring it into the visible screen area, it won't maximize. Then this video is for you. If you follow all the steps I carry out on this video, then it will definitely solve your problem. Or even if you are having a slightly different problem than this, that means when you try to open MS Word, it won't open at all. Instead, it returns an error saying Windows cannot find Microsoft Word. Make sure you type the name correctly and try again later. Then I want you to follow my different video. I have put the link for that video on the description box below. If you follow that video, I guarantee you that it will solve your problem. Now let's fix the problem of Microsoft Word opening up screen only. Open Microsoft Word and one more program from your computer. In my case, I'm opening Microsoft Word and Google Chrome together. After that, right click on the taskbar, not on the other program icons, but on the taskbar itself. And from the resulting option, click on Cascade Windows. Clicking on Cascade Windows causes Microsoft Word to come into the visible screen area. After that, just close the Microsoft Word and try to reopen it. And it should solve your problem. If it still didn't work for you, then go to the Microsoft shortcut that you have been using to open it. After that, right click on it, go to Properties. On this window, go to Shortcut option. Under Shortcut option, look for Run. And from this drop down menu, select Maximized. Click on Apply, click OK, and try to reopen the Microsoft Word, and it should solve your problem. If it still didn't work for you, then open Registry Editor. Once you open the Registry Editor, just go to S key current user folder, expand it. And under this folder, look for software and expand that as well. Under software, look for Microsoft. Once you find Microsoft, expand it as well. Under Microsoft, look for Office. Once you find this Office subfolder, expand it as well. After that, under Office subfolder, expand this 16.0 subfolder as well, and look for Word subfolder. Once you find this Word, expand it, and under it, go to Data and right click on it and simply delete this data key from the Registry Editor. After that, close the Registry Editor and try to reopen the Microsoft Word, and it should solve your problem. If it still didn't work for you, then my final suggestion is uninstall the whole Microsoft Word or Office software from your computer and re-download it from the official website of Microsoft, because if you have a permanent subscription of Office, then you will be able to re-download it from the official website of Microsoft without paying anything. And thank you so much for watching this video.